that kind of working? I have, can't see it through the window, I don't think, but there's this beautiful heart where two trees grow, and it makes incredible shapes. And I have been focusing and staring and enjoying and growing with the roots and speaking to the space and meditating out my window, my favorites. So anyways, my day had so much in it, and quite a bit of delightful parts. So I want to tap into energy from center source, right at the galactic center. And I want to bring in energy from the dragons and bring that into our heart center. There is wisdom in all of our bodies, ancient knowledge that's beyond measure and scope, actually. The beautiful thing about your authentic self and my authentic self and sharing our time, energy, and presence is that it allows for my truths to rattle your truths and your truths to rattle my truths. You know, when somebody gets on and they can read collective energy, that's what they're tapping into, the flows of. So, it's been a beautiful rainy day, and I spent quite a bit of my time in water meditating, and so Sacred Geometry, the combined deck, and the dragon deck. Sacred Geometry, a card to help us connect onto center source energy. Center source, the easiest place in our galaxy to connect our crown chakras into our reality and our sense of self. Center source, a card for center source. A card for center source, please. Okay, multidimensionality. Frequency of the multidimensionality activates our awareness of our true essence, which is eternal and multidimensional. That's why you're such a fucking blessing. Your breath, your time, your energy, your fluids, everything of you is a blessing. You're here and aware elsewhere. The energy of the solar plexus helps us realize who we are and what we want to be, so we can set a course towards our goals. So the reason I use, and it's 303, the numbers there, interesting, 327. Okay, slow down. All right, last one just because it's peaking. Bottom of the deck is authority. Holy fuck. Oh, sorry. The energy of the sacral chakra helps us navigate our lives through emotions and supports our ability to enjoy the sensual world. Card number 2. We're going to put on the other side. We are definitely rocking the oranges. Oranges is your power of meditation, by the way. And meditation isn't just, it's all sorts of you in flow with your higher self and tapped into it in an emotional balance that's uplifting. So bottom of the deck, authority, card number 10. Top of the deck, consciousness, 17. The frequency of consciousness supports our ability to focus our attention on all the multi-dimensional aspects that show up so that we can include them in our reality. All right. And now for the dragon energy. Dragons are incredibly loyal. They're wise. I rest my newest ideas at the feet of a black dragon who covers her around. It's fucking safe. Oftentimes, the rendezvous that didn't happen are what you celebrate. we have come such a far way as a people, as a nation, as a country, as all sorts of things, that it's easy to lose track of how far we've come. And in that, I'm going to get into the pursuit of happiness and how joy is your birthright, but not in today's segment. But yes, segment intending to that. Who you are is God's gift to the world, and the world's aware of you, and you are, anyways. The energies that we focus and we feel, they affect our DNA, our emotional body, and our fluid. And what I mean by that is our body is quite a bit of water. There's this fourth stage that when I channel, it feels like a honey texture to me. That's the stage I'm going to be dipping into. It clear sentience. There are some people, I come across them and they're just mermaids, and I adore and love them. I know they're mermaids with feet, but they're mermaids. And whenever I approach and walk near, it's their home. It's home. It sings of. And the place that I have moved has the symbol of them everywhere. I am so enjoying it. So, the energy that is the wisdom that lays passive and sometimes dormant in our clear sentient connections, that's what I wish to bring focus and attention to and move it through the body. You're welcome to take a deep breath, close your eyes and listen, or lay down, put a weight on your stomach. You can, all sorts of different, one of my favorite ways is headphones in a bath. Allow the movement of energy to flow throughout your body. Anyhow, moving on. Okay, so dragon energy, and we're connecting to the mermaids. One to take the lead, please. To command the winds. Hai, Sasha Sokoya, Drea Satukusha Sakaya, Shanon Mia Satria Sakaria Sataya, Hasha Satria Tuka. Air dragon, wonderful, to shape the winds, helps you rise above earthly matters. Communicate honestly, brings inspiration and hope, see life from a higher perspective. Beautiful. And with that is the magenta dragon. Enables you to bring forth your soul's wisdom. Wonderful. That's the dragon that will be connecting to the mermaid energy. This is the dragon connecting to center source. Thank you. Okay, bottom of the deck, emerald dragon. Sometimes I focus on gems and colors and how they speak through my personal Gaia sense. All of us are walking, talking earth. It's also individual to self. So, at the top of the dragon, at the top of the deck. Oh, fuck dragons, they're awesome. Harness the divine masculine power of creation. Destroy the old, visualize the dream, help manifest into the world. Okay, let us go. Kuya sataria kuya sasaya no mona sasha satria takua sasaya no mania satria sakuya ya hoya no maya sa kuya ria tria sasha se atria nuya sasha suya kapuya satari susha sutra ya tria sakush katatria tria sakuya no mona tatai Kuya sashasaya moya. Ay moya, ay moya, ay moya, sasuya, ay moya, sasuya, ya ya ya. Kuya kasasha. Kuya ay moya, ay moya, ay moya. Kuya shasuya, kapuya sashasuya, kariyaska. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Kuya satriya shasutra. All right, disperse, disentangle. Lovely. Enjoy your day, however it pleases you.